In the age of modern warfare, precision, intelligence, and speed define victory. Introducing the Blite system, an advanced smart drone missile designed for the next-generation defense. Powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, the Blite system ensures pinpoint accuracy, adapting to dynamic battlefields in real time. Unlike conventional missiles, the Blite system features autonomous decision-making capabilities, allowing it to detect and avoid threats while staying locked on its target. With state-of-the-art surveillance and data analytics, commanders gain real-time insights, ensuring strategic advantage in every mission. Designed for efficiency and accuracy, the Blite system delivers a high-impact payload, minimizing collateral damage while maximizing effectiveness. Backed by years of research and innovation, the Blite system is built for the future, revolutionizing drone warfare with unmatched reliability and precision. Blite system: smart, fast, unstoppable. The future of defense is here.